I'm Chainsaw Man. So now we're gonna beat Seek, but as Chainsaw Man. You can see I clearly have Chainsaw. Oh wait, what? Oh, this is the hallway. That's not the hallway. This is the hallway. Then we're gonna. Okay, this is where we and run. Look. Alright, it's me, Chainsaw Man, and this is what I look like. Here, I'll get on here so I can show you. Yep, that's what I'm wearing under that. Then I have the chainsaw thing, pull string right there. And I'm bald. Then, you see, it's... Oh god, this is gonna be inappropriate. Oh god, oh god. JK, I'm wearing a shirt. Oh god, I don't like that. Okay. But yeah, I'm actually bald. I'm gonna get rid of my 1, 2, buckle my shoes, 3, 4, buckle some more, 5, 6, Nike kicks. Alright, and yeah, I'm pretty sure that's pretty much it. I'll show you what else I got. So, like, this is what happened. Look, this is what it looks like when I'm actually wearing this. See. Dutch, stop! Sorry, she's annoying sometimes. Okay. I don't know if you can clearly see it. I don't know if you can see, but I have a pull string right there. Yeah, you can clearly still see it right there, though. But it's kind of black right there, so I don't know. Alright, then, let's see. In here. Oh, yeah, that's the ones I didn't like. Okay. Then, let's see, clothing. You know, here, I'm going to take off. But yeah, it's really funny how I hold stuff, actually. This is actually really funny. Like, I had that on. What the heck? Then I would wear I'd wear that over it. Then I would go to here, clothing. Then I would do this and it would block that up. But yeah, pretty much. So I'm gonna take that off. T-shirt. Classic T-shirt. Don't worry, this is not gonna be silted at all because I'm already wearing a shirt. Then let's see, clothing, classic pants. No. There we go, that's a lot better. Okay. Okay. Did I just take off my shirt? How did I do that? I don't know how I did that. Oh, I guess I can just do that now, because now, yeah, this is actually attached to my body. This is my character now. All right, clothing. Let's take. Oh my goodness gracious! Oh god, clothing. Let's see, classic shirts. No, let's put classic T-shirts on. There we go. Now I don't feel weird when I And boom. So now, nothing. So pretty much you're gonna have to go bald to be able to do this. But, I do. But look, this is what Denji would look like. This is what Denji would look like. Oh, whoops, I'm forgetting one thing. Underwear. Anyway, but this is what Denji would look like. This is what Denji would look like without. This is what Denji would look like without his Chainsaw Man part on. That's not how he would look. Gear. How much is gear? Back. Good chainsaw? What the heck? Mega zombie. Oh, whatever. 1, 2. Okay. Chainsaw pet in the bag? That's kind of weird. Okay. I don't like that. Nice. Yeah, that's what it looked like. This is what Denji would look like. So, customizing, I want to see some more though. Whatever, doesn't matter. So we would look so. I already have that shirt. Yeah, I pretty much already had that shirt though. Whatever. So let's see. No, so. Okay, so we're in this is what Denji would look like human form, but we're missing one thing. And that one thing is oh god, this is gonna be hard to find. What the heck? Yo, I don't know. It wouldn't show me like that. This is what Denji would look like right now. This is what Denji would look like right now, bro. Alright. Alright, hang on. Real quick, I'm gonna change my thing back to my normal. It only took me 5 seconds to find all this stuff. You have to be bald, though, to be able to do it. Okay. Now we just have to put plastic heads on right now. But here's what Chainsaw Man would look like. Here's what Chainsaw Man looks like without his shirt on right now. I'm just kidding. Got some t-shirts? This is what he looks like right now. I know that's not what he looks like fully. Let's see. Head, body, characters, no. Oh, right, that's go customizing. Oh, yeah, I am. Oh, okay. This is what Denji looks like right now. Like, as Chainsaw Man. Alright, but I'm gonna put my shirt back on. Yeah, I think I like it better like that. But yeah, that's pretty much my avatar.